In recent years, lithium battery technology has become the mainstream trend to replace traditional lead-acid batteries, with its excellent performance making it the first choice of the golf cart industry. However, due to the complexity of their maintenance and the low timeliness of remote fault location, this makes the industry face a major challenge. In response to lithium battery after-sales issues, JstaryPower has pioneered a set of cloud-based after-sales management systems that can easily realize zero-distance fault location, so that golf car owners can enjoy an efficient after-sales experience, and at the same time provide an efficient collaborative platform for end users, dealers and battery pack manufacturers. Users only need to connect the battery via the app to remotely report the fault information to the cloud-based system, and then the distributor responds quickly by logging into the cloud-based system for remote fault location and battery maintenance. Finally, the battery manufacturer provides professional support to remotely assist in fault location and recovery on the cloud system. Professionalism comes from dedication. JstaryPower has over 5 years of experience in the manufacturing and maintenance of low-speed power vehicle lithium-ion batteries. We are committed to solving the pain points in the lithium-ion battery industry, improving user experience, and making after-sales service for lithium-ion batteries simpler and more efficient. JstaryPower, the first choice for aftermarket lithium battery solutions.